Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. In a horrifying incident from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, a 28-year-old teacher at a private school has been arrested for allegedly raping a 3-year-old girl. The accused, identified as Kasim Rehan, was working as a computer teacher at the school. The police arrested the accused after receiving a complaint from the child's mother, who reported the matter when the school authorities ignored her initial complaint. According to the Deputy Commissioner of Police, Priyanka Shukla, the child's mother first noticed bruises and injuries on her daughter's body on September 16, prompting her to approach the police. The teacher, who had been teaching at the school for nearly 1.5 years, had been charged under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, as well as the newly introduced Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. The mother of the child told the police that she had noticed blood and injuries in the daughter's private parts after the child returned from the school. Despite initially bringing this to the attention of school management, the matter was dismissed by the administration, forcing her to seek help from the police. Upon further questioning, the child revealed that the teacher had touched her inappropriately, referring him as daddy uncle. The police investigation revealed that the incident took place on September 13 at the school, which falls under the jurisdiction of the Kamla Nagar police station. When the child's statements were recorded in front of the Child Welfare Committee, the allegations escalated from inappropriate touch to rape. The police have arrested the accused and the investigation is now ongoing. Amidst this, Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Mohan Yadav condemned the act, calling it disgusting and shameful. In a statement, he promised strict action and directed that the case will be taken to special fast-track court to ensure swift justice. I have instructed the Chief Secretary to coordinate with the Chief Justice of High Court to expedite this case, Yadav said further. He added that such acts would not be tolerated and the government would work relentlessly to ensure justice for the child. The incident has triggered outrage across the state, with the political leaders from the opposition slamming the government for failing to protect children. State Congress President Jeetu Patwari expressed his deep anguish over the matter, stating that Madhya Pradesh had turned into the rape capital of the country. It is unbearable to think that a 3-year-old girl had to suffer such brutality. I stand with her and her family and I will fight to get them justice. This is a wake-up call for the state government that has failed to protect our daughters, Patwari posted on the social media platform X. In response to the case, the Bhopal Police Commissioner Hari Narayanachari Mishra formed a special investigation team to probe the matter thoroughly. The SIT, led by the female Deputy Superintendent of Police, who will look into the current case and also investigate whether the accused had been involved in any other similar cases. The investigation will also focus on whether the school had priorly knowledge about the misconduct but failed to act on it. Meanwhile, the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights has taken cognizance of the case. The chairperson of Commission, Priyanka Kanungu, condemned the incident and stated that team from Madhya Pradesh State Child Commission would dispatch to investigate the case. The sexual abuse of a 3-year-old girl by a school employee is horrifying. We will ensure that all facts are brought to light and necessary action is taken against the accused and the school, Kanungu said further. The incident has raised questions about the safety of children in educational institutions. The school in question has come under fire for allegedly ignoring the mother's complaint, with many questioning the accountability of the administration. School Education Minister Uday Pratap Singh has assured that action will be taken against the school management for their negligence. He stated that the safety of students in school is paramount and any institution found lacking in this responsibility will face severe consequences. According to DCP Priyanka Shukla, the child's medical examination has been conducted and she is being given all the necessary care and support. The DCP further noted that the accused has denied the allegations, claiming that he was affectionate towards the children and would often play with them. However, the victim's statements and the medical evidence tell a different story. The SIT is now investigating whether there were any previous incidents involving that teacher that went unreported. That's all for this news report. Stay tuned for latest updates on this story. Until then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app, HW News Shorts, for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.